Hey everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. I recently got myself this little mini computer. It's called Quieter3Q and it's just like ASI Air, but well, I think better because it's got this little guy is very powerful to take on Nina, PhD2 and other softwares, and you could use it just like you would ASI Air, except for the automation. Well, I'm gonna unbox it for you so that you know what comes inside it. Let's have a look. By the way, this is currently being sold on special. Got a good price. I got a very good price on this. Because of Christmas, maybe. So it really is Christmas for me. Let's take this out. It has Windows 11 installed, pre-installed already, which I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep Windows 11 or not. I'm not as familiar with Windows 11. So it comes with a quick start guide. Tells you what's, how to connect it and interface and so on. I think I know most of this, so I'm just gonna put this away for now. And there we go. This is it. This is the good stuff. It says, let's pull this out. Oh, it's reasonably light for that powerful device. I'll show you compared to my phone. This is the size. So it's very good in terms of size. You can easily put that on top of your telescope without any troubles. So it's got a warning on top. It says the fanless mini PC dissipates heat into the air. Well, okay, essentially saying that this area will get hot. Yeah, let's see what else comes in it. I must tell you that it's got, one of the reasons that I got this was because it's got 4 USB 3.0 ports. That means that almost all of my devices can connect with high-speed USB 3.0, which is so handy. One of the reasons for buying this was because what happened was my camera wouldn't connect properly because the USB connection that I was using was too slow for it to transfer. So that's why I bought this. Anyways, this is mounting plate. You could mount it on behind your screen if you wanted to, monitor, but I'm not going to be using for that. This has, let's pull this out. This is the charger or power plug. This is USB-C, which has annoyed a few people, but it doesn't matter for me. And this is how you connect the adapter to use it. I think that's about it. That's all there is to it. I'm really looking forward to using this and seeing how it works, whether this works well for me or not. This is so light and so good. I'll make a full review video for this later, but for now I just thought I will show you what I've got.